Hello everyone. Session we discussed about how to create the environment and how to create contact center. And I extended my trial another few days. If you can see, it's showing extended. Then if I open this contact center, so after this contact center open, if you notice, even in the last session also we discussed, right? It has this is your workspace. If you can see my work items on the left side, then if you're opening, then you can see closed work item, open work items, and all the work items. You're closing that. So if you can see in the very first person who is opening pilot, another is agent scripts, and another is knowledge search. It's showing on the right side. Left side what you are seeing is the your workspaces. Okay, and now coming back, in this, if you can see, this is the screen of knowledge search, which is showing in the right side, the search and favorites, my favorites if anything. Okay, then this is your copilot screen, how your copilot screen looks like. Okay, then next is knowledge search. We saw an agent script. Agent script is nothing but in contact center. Actually, whenever any agents right work, they get a script to guide. Basically, when they are in call with the customer, they can just follow the scripts instead of remembering the things. Okay, that's called the agent script, and agent script is really helpful for that point of view. Left side and right side and center pane, if you can see, it is showing by now I have licenses this and engage customers. If you can click as a new person, you want to know more, you can click get started to know more. So if you can see, there are different ways. If you click this, monitor and improve operations, you can see all this features, knowledge search insights, omnichannel insights, and all these things. So this is engage customers. This is your monitor and improve operation. If I click on engage customers, basically what I'm trying to show how exactly Microsoft put the documents. Also, if you are a new person, you can also literally go and explore engage customers. For example, you have, if you can see, engage customer point of view, these are the things, and monitor point of view, these are the things. So now engage customer thing, then you have the options to explore voice, explore chat, explore widgets. Okay, and customize your copilot. Let's say if you want to know how the voice is all about, you can explore actually. Okay, if I'm exploring, you can see, pretend you are a customer, this phone number is a trial number. For the demo, if you are customer, you have 60-minute free call. Okay, something it is showing. So now I'm closing this. If you see another part, there are explore charts. If you can see, as the customer, this chat widget, it is again giving you the step by step. Open the chat widgets. Let's say this is the chat widgets, and describe using the chats. You can try phrases like product issues, something, for example, product issues. I don't know, I'm also trying first time, for example, consider. Okay, you see, so let's say this is all about talk to an agent item. See, it's responded, actually transferring the call and other things. It's all about the experience of chat. Okay, you can see there is a bot is calling me. I click accepts, and if you see now, call is established. So demo call is established. So basically my intention of showing this is, if you can see exactly, it is literally giving you a guided navigation, okay, to see how it is there. If you can see here, your chat demo is showing the left and the right side. In the left side, it is showing you the panel, the its last status is transferred by the bot, also it's showing, right? Then if you can see in the center pane, the customer information with the timelines informations. Okay, So if it literally giving you next guided navigation. Okay, that's what is all about your experience on the chat. Now coming back, explore widget. So what exactly explore widgets? Let's understand explore widget. What are the things? Okay, you see this giving actually test the embedded conversations. Let me close the chat. Okay, so this is all about explore widgets, test the embedded part. And if you can see the embedded conversation widgets, what are the widgets are there, then live chat, voice calling, setup a widget in others, integration to CRM, if anything you can do, data sync you can do. So you can see this is the one of the dummy event it is showing. Okay, it's loading. Basically it's a widget, you can create your own widgets. Okay, and another, but for me it's just nothing is there. Pop-up is blocked by the browser. I think something is I blocked. Allow, let me allow it. So let's pop-up come. Okay, here you see the widget loaded. Okay, so we are currently in the process taking to action. It must allow the browser to access your microphone. Okay, so basically you can see how exactly it's a guided navigations are available for you. Okay, that's the main intention of showing all this. I click it back to come back to contact center workspace. So now you notice what I have shown ways you can kickstart learning, how exactly you see the workspace, how you start learning individual items. So I shown you here the voice, chat and widget, right? Similarly you can see knowledge search. If I click this, this is also giving you guided tour. Basically if you can see, it's a Power BI report, it is loading to get the insights. Search term insights, this is the insights. Let me close this knowledge search. If you can see full-fledged insights, you can see search term insights, it's a dashboard, it's loading. Okay, so how this is insight is all about which term searched maximum time and what's the engagement rate and other things. Then articles, you can see here it is showing the article insights also. Okay, you see this is the article insights, other things showing. So this is all about for your guided tour kind of thing. Basically your own, this is knowledge insights, knowledge search insights, and then it is omni-channel insights. So if you click this, you can see the omni-channel insights over here. Okay, so if you see it is loading. Yeah, so how is the incoming conversions, engaged conversions, event done rate? Basically it's a call center point of view. What really require all the analytics information you can say. It's not only a dashboard for the sake, you can also drill down this. Okay, so if you can see it is getting refreshed. Okay, so that's the beauty of the dashboard point of view, and how you can use the training materials to learn, basically kickstart the things. Okay, so now I'm going back to main page. I don't want this. This is my trial home. Okay, so now we understand now what are the contact center workspaces. And if I click this, you can see there is a this breadcrumb icon is there. If I'm clicking this, you can see there are a lot of features. Actually customer service workspace person can see. Okay, so if you see best first, this is the recent, this is a pin, I think it's a standard in Dynamics 365. and all the products you can see basically in the customer CRM standpoint. The product have this. If I'm clicking this, you can see this is the custom email, last email and other things it is there. So this is my workspaces. So now I don't want to go to inbox now, rather I want to show you customer service historical analytics. So basically this is a kind of report. This gives actually historical analysis of basically how many calls, incoming calls, active cases, escalation rates, and what is the KPI and how it is the, basically you can see three portions are there. One is three tabs, I will say in this way. One is summary, one is agents, and one is topics. If you see the summary, it is having a lot of dashboard capability with giving you CSAT score and KPIs, all relevant KPIs required for the contact center agents and contact center folks actually. Okay, so if you see this is the summary view, then this is your agent view. If you can see, this is your agent view, and this agent view, this is all about it is showing. Okay, now coming to topics, this is all about the analytics reports on the topic standpoint. So if you can see, it's really having all kind of analytics capabilities, okay, available. So now going back again to customer service historical analysis, then knowledge analytics, I think we just saw in the demo point of view also, it is showing that knowledge analytics. Yeah, you see this is knowledge analytics reports are available. Okay, the search term analytics, then article insights. So all these knowledge analytics related reports are available. Now omni-channel also we saw actually, if you remember omni-channel historical analysis, it's also available, another report. Basically for me, I'm just showing you what are the different kinds of reports are available as a contact center person. When you are working, you can see all these analytics built in available for you. Okay, omni-channel historical analytics. I'm not going to individual parameters. If you can see all parameters, you can deal through. So this is conversations. This is your queues. This is your agent. See how the engagements of the agents, how the sessions rejected, time, transfer rate, and all these things, along with how the engagement and other things. It's all the analytics. And then how agent engagement, how the bots engagement point of view. If you can see here, this is the analytics for the bot standpoint. Okay, so now going back to, this is historical, this is the real time. You can see this is also one kind of analytics it is available. This is historical analytics omni-channel. Yep, it's loaded. You see it's showing actually how the conversions are there. Okay, so for my point of view, if you notice, I just called one, so that's why it is showing one analytics. Then coming back, the ongoing conversion agents, anything, everything is showing actually here. Then next is some time. Okay, it is also real-time analytics for record routing, anything is there. Then this is your queues. You can see the queue items over here, and then this is your personalization panel. Basically I'm just going through what are the features available in contact center workspaces. You can see this is the personalization pane, but if you can see, it is restricted to you. That means this workspace don't have permission to change it. Basically admin need to give the privileges, so it's a personalization. Then social profiles, if anything, active profiles they can see here. Then any activities, let's say phone call, email, and all these activities you can see, task, email, appointment, phone call, letter, and all the activities actually will be tracked here. Then contacts, This is the contacts. What are the active contacts? I have only one contact for the time. It's a dummy data given as part of the trial. If you notice, we discussed the account. This is the account. What are the different accounts are available? And it's also provided by standard dummy data. This is your knowledge articles. So if you can see, there are different knowledge articles are available. Details we will discuss later. I'm not going to discuss now. Knowledge search are available. So I need to close. If you can see, whatever I am opening, it is opening the tab. So I need to close this. Yeah, you see, this is the knowledge articles. Then email templates, it's a standard, and signatures and service activities. So this is all about service related activities. So this is all about your contact center workspace.